Hello everyone and welcome back to Rinverse. Today we're talking about tires, specifically radial tires. What's the difference between normal and radial tire? Which one is better for daily rides and long tours? In this video I'm breaking it down in the simplest way possible. No confusing terms, just straight rider talk. As you can see, my Xtreme 160R 4V has both radial and a normal tire. The rear tire is a radial and the front is a non-radial tire. In a normal tire, you have crisscross layers of either nylon or fabric. The sidewalls are thicker, more rigid. These are mostly seen on commuter motorcycles and budget motorcycles. In radial tires, the layers are running radially across the tire. The sidewalls are more flexible. The tire has better heat management. That's why it's mostly used on performance motorcycles. So what's the difference in performance? Radial tires perform better. Radial tires feel smoother, less vibrations, especially on long rides. In terms of heat dissipation, radial tires are also better. Radial tires are also made with softer materials or softer compounds. That's why it can provide you with better grip. But due to the compound being a lot softer than normal tires, radial tires don't last as long as normal tires. Also, normal tires can handle heavier loads with pillion or luggage because it has thicker sidewalls. So, which one should you choose? If you're into spirited riding or touring, radials are totally worth it. But for city commutes, budget rides, or carrying weight, normal tires work just fine. If you have a performance motorcycle, it's probably gonna come with radial tires from the factory. Radial tires are better at good pavement roads. They will provide you with better grip, better acceleration, better heat dissipation, and you're gonna feel much more confident carving the twisty roads with these tires on. Normal tires, on the other hand, they are a lot cheaper, but they are slightly better under load. Also, if you daily commute through bad pavement roads, it's better to go with a normal tire. I hope this cleared up your tire confusion. Let me know what tires you're rocking in your bike right now. And tell me in the comments if you feel the difference between the radial and the normal tire in daily riding conditions. Again, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and support a small creator. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.